And then after a night in the hotel, we're here. Phantasialand. I've heard it called both. And yeah, let's go and check out Phantasialand. Quick story, what's quite funny is I got an Uber from the hotel. It cost me 14 euros, which is pretty similar to what it cost me to fly from Bristol to Cologne. 7-minute journey compared to flying an hour and a half. But anyway, we're here. Let's go check it out and see what Phantasialand is all about. Heading into Rukba, and if the theme is like this, wow. I'm literally speechless. I am speechless. I thought I'd been to good theme parks in terms of theming. This one area alone, I could just stay here all day. I could stay here all day. And in typical fashion, of course, it is raining. That is literally every single time in a theme park this year, it is raining. So it's about 9:45 now, the rides don't open till 10. I can already see that people are queuing up, waiting. I'm not going to do that, I'm going to take the park in between now and 10 and then hit some rides up, so let's go. I am absolutely loving being in a new theme park for the first time. Not knowing where I'm going, this is, yeah, I might have to get a map. I love that these give directions as well. Obviously nothing's open yet, but having not been in a park before, obviously I don't know where I'm going, so I'm already getting the feeling that this video is just going to be a compilation of me just getting lost. I'm looking at the map. It's not the best app in the world, but my sense of direction is terrible. So rides are now open. I'm going to check out Black Mamba. It's a 10-minute wait, so let's go and see what Black Mamba's like. Wow, that was unbelievable. If you've ridden the Nemesis, and you haven't ridden that and you think Nemesis is the best, come ride this. If you have ridden this, surely you don't think Nemesis is better than this. I thought my legs were going to get chopped off, clean off. That may have been because I was 3.6 centimeters too tall for that ride, apparently. I've already just kind of given up trying to find things. I'm just going to wander, see what I come across, and just make the most of the day because there's so much going on. And if you've experienced a park for the first time, you know what it's like, but then times that by 10 here, because this is a smaller, compact park with attention to detail. So I'm looking down, so I'm walking down steps. And I don't want to end my trip early by falling down these. F.L.Y is currently saying 20 minutes, so I think I'm heading that way. Let's go and see. I believe I am, because this area is unreal. This has to be the world's longest queue. I haven't stopped, we've been walking for like 10 minutes. So I have just done F.L.Y, and I don't want to give it away, but wow, if you've been on F.L.Y, you know the beginning part, just wow. It might be the best ride I've ever been on today. I haven't been on Taron yet, so, but this it's just wow, like literally this, wow. To get out of the rain, we're going to go on the 2-story carousel, Fantasia, something like that. Yeah, carousel, aka carousel. finished that and the heavens have opened. So I'm taking shelter. Yet again, more rain in a theme park. Story of my 2023 life when it comes to theme parks. Right, I've decided to brave the rain for you. This is all for you, right? So please subscribe. So heading into China, this place looks stunning, stunning, amazing. They've just nailed the theming, absolutely nailed it. Found it, and it's Geister, not Geyser. 5 minutes, let's go. So there's Geister rickshaw. It's quite good, to be fair. There are some scenes that are a little bit questionable, but then there's some that are a little bit morbid. So I know that the Curse at One Manor has kind of set a precedent for dark rides now, but I enjoy a dark ride, and it was just a good ride. So let's go on and see what else there is to do. So now for the moment I've been waiting for, and it's tea, and it's Taron. Let's go. I'm literally speechless. I am speechless. I thought I'd been on good rides, and then this park, man. But this ride, best ride I've ever been on. Cherry flavour, my absolute favourite flavour of slush, so happy with that. Brain freeze. Oh. So now that I've emotionally recovered from Taron, I need to go and find something to do, but I think I need to find food first, because I'm hungry. I feel like I've returned to Wakanda. Love it. Deep in Africa, adventure trail. Let's go. So it's like an assault course, but you're literally going around the track for Black Mamba. It's awesome. Oh. Oh wow. Nailed it. I'm definitely going to fall in. Oh! Ah! Ah! Well, that was way more fun than I expected. That was a hidden gem, because that was a walk on. I recommend that. That was great fun. So now let's go and check out Mouse au Chocolat. Mouse the chocolate. Let's go. The park just keeps surprising me. I mean, I thought that was just going to be like a little children's ride. It's so good. It's like Remy's sort of meets Men in Black or like Toy Story Mania. when you have to just shoot and score points, and there's so many screens, and this park. And I've been here about 3 hours, and I've just discovered a whole new area to the park that I didn't even know. Looking at the map all day, didn't even know, but Fantasyland, I've just discovered it, so let's go and see. So I'm gonna go and try out the Whinger ride. So you've got Winger's Fear and another Whinger, but I'm going to Winger's Fear first, and then maybe check out the second one. Let's go. So I ended up doing Winger's Force there. Really good ride actually. Not the best, but yeah, still a good ride. So I definitely need food now because I am hungry. I've been saying that quite literally for the last 2 hours, but I am hungry. Another thing to bear in mind here at Phantasialand, is that even though the park closes at 6, the rides don't close at 6. They close prior to 6 o'clock. So I need to make sure I get back on F.L.Y and Taron before they close, because I will be gutted if I miss that. Very good. I'm going back on Taron. I'm literally getting withdrawal already, so I'm going back. Ride number 2, and I'm still blown away. What a ride. So I've just seen in the distance a roller coaster going backwards up a hill. So I think it's Reik. So I'm gonna go and check that out. Reik seems to be evading me. I believe it goes around Taron and it intertwines with Taron, but I can't find it, so. Wow, I feel stupid. Right there. That's quite a cool ride. So you go backwards out of the station and then you sort of shoot through, get to a point, and then you end, and you kind of go up a hill and then roll back down, and they do that twice. However, backwards roller coasters, I have found out, make me feel very, very, very sick. So I'm starting to hit the wall a little bit. It's about 4 o'clock. And yeah, I'm getting tired, so I either need to bring my adrenaline up, need to eat something, or I don't know, but I've got 2 hours left, so let's find something to do. Alright, so it's time to brave the ride that I'm sure you've all seen on the internet, Facebook, Lab Bible, TikTok, the infamous Chiapas. No, God! Chiapas, whatever it's called. There you go, have a look. Is it possible to die from feeling sick? Because I think I'm about to. It's a great flat ride, don't get me wrong. Probably the best flat ride I've ever been on, if not the best in the world. I can't think of anything off the top of my head that could even be slightly as good as that. But yeah, let's go on to see what else we can do in these last sort of 90 minutes or so. I know I am gonna go back on F.L.Y. Just, the ride's amazing, but the area, I love that area. Let's take a look, let's do a time lapse of that area now. there it is. That's the end of it. The park is just about to close. The rides are closed, and I had an amazing, amazing day. I've definitely rode my favourite roller coaster ever. I wonder if that's ever going to get beaten. The only one I can see potentially beating that is Velocicoaster. What do you think? What do you think of Taron and F.L.Y? I mean, Taron, just to clarify, Taron is the best ride I've ever ridden. Everything about it just was perfect. It was a perfect ride. So yeah, let me know what you think of this park, what you think of those. Let me know what you think of this video. All this for me to do now is to sleep and then travel home. I'm not going to bore you with that, so I'll end the video here. And I appreciate you watching, I really, really do. And yeah, I'll see you on the next one.